Dreaming of bringing your family to Dubai? Well, we are introducing you to a quick and easy guide of how to obtain a family visa in Dubai without spending thousands of dirhams, avoiding unnecessary hassle and living life stress-free, because documents will help you at each step. It's Dubai's one-stop solution for all your visa needs. First things first, let's get your documents in order. And with the help of documents, you can get all your paperwork sorted without any delays. And even the eligibility clauses are taken care of, whether you want to sponsor your spouse, children, family, or even a domestic helper. And with the next step, it's time for your medical checkup and Emirates ID application. Documents will schedule your appointments, check in on the results, and also set you up for the next process. And the final step is the visa stamp. You'll be surprised that your visa will be processed in no time without any delays. And thanks to documents, this entire process will be completed in just 60 days, which would otherwise take you months. Save this reel and share it with those who might need it.